Hello, and thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be discussing audio sharing in Linux. Now, audio sharing can be quite tricky in Linux, because it is definitely not an automatic process. But the one thing you have to remember is that Linux is not Windows, and Windows is not Linux. So keep that in the back of your mind as we continue on with this video. The best way to show you audio sharing is through Discord. And this is because whenever you screen share, there is no audio associated with it, meaning that the people on the other end only get to see video. They won't get to hear any of the audio that's being played. And so let's go ahead and enter into a voice channel. Now for this example, we don't have to have screen sharing on at the moment, but this will work whether or not you're screen sharing. And right now we are in qpwgraph. This looks like a giant mess. But don't worry, because the only things we'll be focusing on are Blue Snowball Mono and MPV. Blue Snowball Mono is my microphone, and MPV is what we're using for this example to play audio. So do you see here where Blue Snowball Mono is plugged into this WebRTC voice engine? This WebRTC voice engine is Discord. So all we're going to do is we're going to drag this over to here and drag this one over to here. And what we're going to do is we're going to start playing music. And right here you can see that I haven't been talking and it already started lighting up. So let me go ahead and pause that music. But as you can see, it was playing the audio in Discord. And whenever you're done, just go ahead and select on the wire here. Go ahead and delete it. Go ahead and select that one and delete it, and you should be good to go. Couple things to note here. First things first, your microphone may not be mono, yours may be stereo, therefore you'll have a left and right channel here. The second thing I would tell you to do is go to your user settings, go to voice and video, and go to advanced. And you need to start experimenting with some things like turning off echo cancellation, turning off automatic gain control, and turning off advanced voice activity. And the reason you'll want to do this is because sometimes the audio will cut in and out. And that is simply because of all of these effects that Discord has put in automatically, which it helps out with your microphone, but it doesn't help out whenever you're sharing audio. And now we've come full circle. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you guys in the next video.